everybody, Doug here with another video to help you with your overall success with SAP SuccessFactors. This video is part of my short video series on SuccessFactors User Settings. Let's jump into the system and check it out. Now let's talk about a user setting called Proxy or Proxy Management. To access this, click on your image icon, select Settings, and in left-hand nav bar, please select Proxy. Now, this is a section where most organizations choose only to restrict this access to very few people. So the majority of people will not even see proxy in this drop-down list. However, just so you know that what is available to you to do, in this area here, we have the ability to do two things. We can either assign a proxy or become a proxy. The assign proxy is where we can go and add to allow permission for somebody else to act as us in the system. And become a proxy would be where we'd go when we want to act as somebody else who they gave us permission to do things on their behalf. First, let's explore the assign proxy. So if I click on this, I will be able to see that I'll be able to select, or first off, I'll see all the people who I've been given proxy rights to. If I wanted to give somebody else proxy rights to me, to act as me in the system, I can come over here. I can type in their name, select them, and then select what I'd like them to do. So for example, if I only wanted them to see the home page and maybe the org chart, I can assign that, or I could select all. Again, if I wanted to remove proxy rights from somebody, I just come into the system and click on the red X. Once I'm okay with all this, I just click on save, and now that person will be given rights to me. For example, in this case here, Anya Singh has actually already given me proxy rights, so I can act as her in the system. In order to do this, I can do one of two things. I can click up here and click on Proxy Now, or I can go back to the Proxy section and click on the Become Proxy. In this case here, let's see the view from Proxy Now. It's asked me to select who I'd like to target as my proxy user. In this case here, I could type in Anya's name. Her username is sfadmin. If I didn't have her full spelling of her name, or maybe I misspelled something, the system will search to see. I could also use the system's double space here. So if I click on the space bar twice, it's actually going to go and pull me a list of all the people who I have access to through role-based permissions, or again from proxy. If we have users in the system, for example, David, which we do, you will see here that I do not have access to David, so I will not see David in my list. Only the people I have access to or given permission to will be able to be displayed. So again, if I wanted to see Anya, I could type in her name, I can hit double space bar, and all the people I have access to will also be displayed. Just a quick little tip here for you. So in this case, let's select Anya Singh. We'll click on OK. And now the screen is going to refresh, and what's happening is I am now acting as Anya in the system. You can see here where it's saying that it's Jeff Hill acting on behalf of Anya. And again, in the system, when you do certain things, such as maybe approvals or anything else, you will notice that it will have that name appended to it. So Jeff Hill's name will be appended with Anya Singh as well. Just to show you that I come down to the launch home page area, and you'll see that I only have a few options available inside our drop-down list. To come myself again, I just click on Become Self, and now the screen's going to refresh, and I'm back in the system as myself. And again, you can see here by clicking on the drop-down list, I now have much more access to other areas. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this short video on SuccessFactors User Settings. Please see my other short videos on this topic by clicking on the playlist here to see them all at once. I hope this video will help you with great success using your SAP SuccessFactors system. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and get notified when I release future videos. If it didn't, or if you have a suggestion on future topics, please leave a comment below. Well, that's it for now. Keep succeeding, and hope you join me again soon.